friends, glad to have you. My name is Kathy and welcome on my makeup journey. I'm glad you could join me. If you like this video, big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. So let's talk about today's video. It's going to be an exclusive from Ulta and it's the Frida Kahlo 3-piece special edition. This is $30 and this is just like a wow. And this is has a palette. It has a new keepsake collection. It is really gorgeous. And if you don't know who Frida is, she is known for her bold artwork and being have a propensity and a unique sense of life and style as a painter. She's widely admired as one of Mexico's greatest artists, and this is a celebration of her legacy that continues to inspire and empower a new generation of fans and to follow their dreams and never apologize for who they are. So that's what the whole theme of this palette and this collection is. So let's talk about the box. Really beautiful presentation. Look at this. And this is from Ulta. And you open it up and it has this beautiful little discussion about her, a poem, and about her life. She was from 1907 to 1954 and is absolutely gorgeous. This is what it says. In the time of revolution in Mexico, a star was born. Proud of her country's culture, its folklore, she truly loved. She is known as Frida Kahlo, greatest artist and naturalist, married to Diego Rivera, famous painter and muralist. Suffering from polio as a child and a bus accident later in life, during her painful recovery, passion for painting kept her alive. Admired for her unique art, empowerment, and personality, Frida was her own muse. She painted her own reality. Highlighting her own beauty, different inside and out, she became a fashion icon the world is talking about. Her masterpieces in life are now sources of inspiration, her flowers, colors, and shades we all love with fascination. Really beautiful. Look at that. And then here's the palette right on the side. Let me get it out so I can show you what we have. And here's the beautiful palette. Really nice. This has 12 shades in it, but look at the presentation. It just continues on and has that flavor of hers. And then the other portion is basically a pot so that you can switch them out, and really beautiful. And you know, it has the potting thing so you can move it out. But really nice presentation. You can reuse this tin as anything you want. Same thing with the box. So let's talk about the actual palette itself. And it's a nice cardboard. Look at this. With the magnetic. And then you open it up. And then look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Never apologize for who you are. Talk about a theme of empowerment. It just absolutely just blows my mind that Ulta came out with this. So let's go and talk about some swatches. So here we are with the first row, and this one is Perla, and then we have Dahlia, then we have Magic, ooh, and it's a beautiful shimmer, and then Infinity right here. So Perla, Dahlia, Magic, Infinity. Let me put on the back of my hand. Wow, look at those. Really pretty. This Perla kind of doesn't show up because it's a nice neutrally based vanilla color, and that Dahlia is a really pretty pink. So let's complete these swatches, and right here we have them. And here is the second row, which this is Muse. Well, look at that beautiful color right there. And then we have here Dahlia, which is a nice brown. And then look at this green. Wow. That's called agave. And then we have right here this blue, which is called Caramel. Look at that navy. Isn't that incredible? Wow. And then we have the next one is Sol, S-O-L. Look at that really nice mustard color. Then we have Adobe, which is this Adobe brick color. And then we have Amore. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? And the last one here, which is a glitter shimmer, is Mystical. Look at that. Talk about colors and pigmentation. I am totally impressed on this package from Ulta for celebrating the legacy and the life of Frida Kahlo. My final thoughts on this, and based on the swatches and what I've done, using this, these shadows are unlike any other collection tried by Ulta's own brand. I'm really impressed. The quality is just top notch, and the metallics have a lot of punch, and the mattes are super creamy. Theirs is a beautiful color scheme. Look at this. It just reminds you of all that artwork and all that heritage that's going on in the background to celebrate her. It's such a major accomplishment to get this so beautiful. The large box has a nice magnetic closure, so it's really nice, so you can repurpose any way you want and it will stay closed. The artwork on it is really pretty, and the packaging is absolutely awesome. And I love that inside it has that brief story about her, and it's a poem. I love the flowers involved. I think it's just a great package. I think this is a great collector's item, and at $30 you might want to pick this up, or at least go swatch it when next time you're in an Ulta. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great one.